God, who the hell cares?
I know they gotta see, but I thought Liz Cheney not only did something with courage, but physical courage. With physical courage.
Let me put it in a language you can understand.
Her dad and I worked together a long, long time. She had his father's daughter.
What do the states of the storm zone need, Mr. President?
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का धमाके लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे तक जाना चाहिए
Okay?
What are the states of the storm zone? What do they need after what you saw today?
ना करो वाकई मैं नहीं मानता
Oh, in the storm zone.
Yes, sir.
I'm wondering what storm you're talking about. They get everything they need. And they're very happy across the board. So we just got to, and we have to get back to